It was once a species on the brink of extinction. Somehow, China has turned this animal into a significant force in the development of the country's economy. Every year, up to 10 million of these animals can be exported worldwide. Are you curious about what kind of animal this is? And how it transformed from being critically endangered to becoming a major economic resource? Then join me on a journey to discover and learn about this extraordinary animal. Our main character today is the soft-shell turtle, also known as the smooth turtle. With strong consumer demand, Chinese farms breed 13 million turtles each year. This turtle species has an interesting and unique reproductive cycle. The number of eggs per laying can reach up to 40 to 50 eggs. Turtle eggs are placed in trays with a layer of soil underneath. The eggs then remove CO2 emitted from the embryo's metabolic processes. The incubation period lasts about 60–90 days. However, under the influence of human intervention, the hatching time is reduced to just 30 to 40 days. The harvested baby turtles are placed in water containers. This is an important process that helps protect their health, preventing injuries from impacts or abrasions during transportation. After hatching, the baby turtles are released into ponds, allowing them to grow naturally and healthily. The diet of these turtles includes fish, insects, and aquatic plants found in ponds and lakes. In farming, specially prepared pellet feed is used for the turtles. This feed is convenient and ensures adequate nutrition for the turtles. Turtles are fed 2 to 4 times a day, depending on their age. After 20 minutes, any leftover food needs to be removed from the water to prevent pond pollution. They will reach maturity after approximately 4 to 5 years, depending on the rearing conditions and living environment. The reason this turtle species is so valuable is because it contains a high amount of nutrients and has numerous beneficial effects. China has established many breeding farms, each covering an area of at least 500 square meters, to ensure ample living space for the turtles. When the turtles reach a weight of 1 to 2 kilograms, it is time to reap the rewards. Harvesting softshell turtles requires using nets or scoops to avoid injuring the turtles. Choosing the right time for harvesting is also crucial. It is best to harvest during the dry season to avoid the impact of weather conditions and ensure better quality of the turtles. After transportation, cleaning and sorting the turtles is an important step following the harvest. This ensures that the turtles meet hygiene and quality standards before being sent to the market. The price of the turtles is determined by their classification based on size, weight, and age. In addition to the soft-shell turtle, other turtle species in China are also bred to meet market demand. This turtle species is extremely nutritious and has many other significant benefits. Therefore, the demand for its consumption is very high. The turtles that meet the standards are sent to factories for processing and preservation before being sold. In the factories, workers continuously operate to ensure a sufficient supply of soft-shell turtle meat for the market. With its delicious flavor, soft-shell turtle meat can be prepared into a variety of enticing dishes. We hope you found the information about the process of raising soft-shell turtles interesting. If you want to witness the fascinating intricacies of these production lines and delve deeper how these factories work, then you can watch our next videos here.
Sturgeon, a species of fish that produces a type of food known as black gold and the most luxurious in the world. The popularity of sturgeon roe has skyrocketed as companies worldwide produce 3,000 tons annually. Let's explore together the journey from sturgeon to the expensive caviar beads and understand why it has become so costly. Sturgeon can take from 8 to 20 years to mature and produce eggs. They undergo ultrasound to accurately determine the location and quantity of eggs, ensuring they are ready for harvesting. The sturgeon is punctured with a small hole in its belly, and then the belly is gently massaged from head to tail to push the eggs out. This process requires meticulousness to ensure the eggs are pushed out without breaking. After harvesting, the sturgeon eggs are soaked in a saline solution. This process helps clean the eggs and increases the durability of the eggshells, reducing the breakage rate during incubation. When the eggs hatch into fry, they are transferred to clean water tanks, preparing them for the subsequent rearing stages. During the fry stage, sturgeon are fed bloodworms due to their high protein content and suitability for the digestive system of young sturgeon. When the sturgeon reach a size of 5 to 10 centimeters, they are transferred to a new environment where they can continue to grow better in larger tanks. When a farm raises millions of sturgeon, the water environment becomes a crucial factor for their development. The combination of expertise and advanced water filtration technology ensures that the tanks maintain clean and safe water. When the sturgeon mature, the eggs are harvested using professional and meticulous techniques. After harvesting the eggs from the sturgeon, they are rinsed with clean water to remove initial impurities and mucus. Kneading on a sieve helps to separate the eggs, ensuring they do not clump together, which results in a more uniform consistency. Broken or substandard eggs are manually removed. Each sturgeon egg embodies the care, meticulousness, and dedication of skilled craftsmen. The sturgeon eggs undergo a curing process with a salt. This step is crucial in caviar production. It not only helps preserve the eggs, but also creates a distinctive, refined flavor. The salted sturgeon eggs are canned and undergo sterilization using advanced technology. The sterilization process is a crucial final step to ensure the highest quality of the caviar before export. Worldwide, sturgeon meat consumption reaches approximately 500,000 tons per year. Due to the high market demand, this brings significant income benefits to farmers. Sturgeon is not only a nutritious food source, but also a symbol of luxury and sophistication in culinary arts. The variety in preparation and serving methods, from caviar to main courses, appetizers, has made sturgeon an indispensable part of luxurious meals and fine dining restaurants. If you want to witness the fascinating intricacies of these production lines and learn more deeply about how these factories work, then you can watch our next videos here.